Is Ghana about to shake up the global auto industry? Kantanka Automobile, the country's premier car manufacturer, is making waves with a lineup of powerful, stylish, and affordable vehicles built to tackle city streets and rough terrains. With prices starting at 80,000 Ghanaian cedis, Kantanka offers something for every driver, from the fuel-efficient K71 mini SUV, 5.8 liters per 100 kilometers, to the rugged Omama Standard with a 500 kilogram luggage capacity. High-performance models like the Okatakie Off-Roader and Onantefo SUV prove Ghana isn't just competing, it's leading. Ready to experience Ghana's finest automotive engineering? Experience a vehicle built with African innovation, made for your roads and rivaling global brands. Subscribe for the latest updates on these game-changing innovations. Kantanka K71 Mini SUV. The Kantanka K71, crafted by Kantanka Automobile, is a luxurious and high-performance vehicle designed to deliver safety, efficiency, and driving comfort. Under the hood, it is powered by a 1.5 cubic centimeter engine, making it a practical and fuel-efficient option for both city and highway driving. With a fuel consumption rate of 5.8 liters per 100 kilometers, it outperforms many competitors in mileage and cost-effectiveness. For enhanced safety, the K71 is equipped with a driver front airbag, ABS EBD system, an energy-absorbing steering column, and a rear camera view, ensuring maximum protection and ease of handling. The interior is designed for premium comfort, providing a spacious and well-crafted cabin suited for both personal and professional use. The K71 stands out among its competitors as an affordable yet feature-packed option, delivering luxury and advanced technology at a competitive price. It offers a balance of reliability, strong performance, and long-term value, making it a well-rounded choice. For drivers seeking premium features without overspending, the K71 provides comfort, innovation, and efficiency in one package. Kantanka Onantefo. The Kantanka Onantefo, produced by Kantanka Automobile, is a powerful, efficient, and luxurious vehicle designed for those who seek comfort and performance. It comes with an advanced temperature control system, ensuring a pleasant driving experience in any weather condition. The interior is spacious and ergonomically designed, providing maximum convenience for both drivers and passengers, whether on short trips or long journeys. Under the hood, the Onantefo is powered by a 10.3-liter engine with multiple injectors, ensuring efficient fuel combustion and smooth acceleration. This high-performance vehicle can reach speeds of over 100 kilometers per hour, making it a reliable option for highway driving and long-distance travel. The suspension system is finely tuned to deliver stability and control, even on challenging terrains. When compared to other SUVs in its class, the Kantanka Onantefo stands out due to its combination of power, luxury, and advanced engineering. It is an ideal choice for drivers who demand both high performance and modern driving comfort. With a starting price of 170,000 Ghanaian cedis, available at Kantanka car dealerships across Ghana, it offers a competitive alternative to other premium SUVs in the market. Kantanka Omama. The Kantanka Omama is a powerful and efficient luxury car designed by Kantanka Automobile, a company known for its innovation and commitment to quality. This model stands out with its 1.9 turbocharged direct injector engine, delivering impressive power while ensuring fuel efficiency at 7.8 liters per 100 kilometers. With its low emissions and reduced maintenance costs, the Omama is built for long-term reliability and affordability. What makes this vehicle unique is its human-machine interface, blending technology and classic styling for a seamless driving experience. It features a customized ECU monitor, Bluetooth connectivity, USB/AUX interface, and an adjustable steering wheel. The climate control stereo system enhances comfort, making every drive enjoyable. Kantanka Automobile offers flexible payment plans, allowing buyers to choose between full payment or installment options. Customers also enjoy free number plate licensing, mobile after-sales servicing, and a 3-year or 100,000-kilometer warranty, ensuring peace of mind. A unique benefit of owning the Omama is access to a personal mechanical engineer, providing dedicated service throughout ownership. With its luxury, efficiency, and long-term value, the Omama stands out as a premium choice for drivers looking for a reliable and well-supported vehicle. Kantanka Automobile's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction makes ownership truly hassle-free. We hope you're loving this. Subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated on more game-changing updates. Kantanka Amoanima. The Kantanka Amoanima, manufactured by Kantanka Automobile, is a sleek and efficient salon car designed to offer comfort, performance, and affordability. This stylish and modern vehicle is crafted to meet the demands of urban drivers while maintaining the versatility needed for highway travel. Its compact yet aerodynamic design ensures a smooth and responsive drive, making it a reliable option for daily commuting and long-distance trips. Under the hood, the Amoanima is powered by a 1.5-liter, 4-cylinder engine, delivering over 102 horsepower, allowing for strong acceleration and stable performance. The 5-speed automatic transmission provides seamless gear shifts, enhancing fuel efficiency and driving ease. With a fuel capacity of 6.4 liters, this sedan is an economical choice, offering cost-effective fuel consumption compared to similar vehicles in its segment. Inside, the spacious front cabin is designed for maximum comfort, featuring a refined and modern interior with high-quality materials. Ergonomic seating and an intuitive dashboard layout enhance the driving experience, ensuring both driver and passengers enjoy a smooth ride. Kantanka Mensa. Kantanka Automobile, a leading Ghanaian automaker, has introduced the Kantanka Mensa, a luxurious long salon car built for performance, comfort, and practicality. Equipped with a 2.4 cubic centimeter engine, it delivers reliable power, making it a strong choice for both city and highway driving. The 4-wheel independent suspension system ensures a smooth, stable ride, effectively absorbing shocks for enhanced driving comfort. A key feature of the Kantanka Mensa is its spacious luggage capacity, allowing drivers to carry cargo and personal belongings with ease. Whether for family road trips or business travel, this sedan offers convenience and efficiency without compromising on luxury. Priced at 120,000 Ghanaian cedis, the Kantanka Mensa positions itself as an affordable yet premium option in its segment. Compared to other salon cars, it strikes a balance between performance, comfort, and cost-effectiveness, appealing to those who seek style and functionality. Kantanka Omama Standard. The Kantanka Omama Standard, developed by Kantanka Automobile, is a durable and efficient SUV designed for drivers who need power, reliability, and practicality. It is powered by a turbo diesel engine, delivering consistent performance while ensuring fuel efficiency. With a fuel consumption rate of 7.8 liters per 100 kilometers, it matches the efficiency of Omama Luxury, offering a cost-effective alternative without compromising on capability. This SUV is built for both city driving and off-road terrain, featuring a robust suspension system that enhances stability and handling on varied surfaces. Whether navigating urban streets or rough landscapes, the Omama Standard ensures a smooth and controlled ride. A standout feature of this model is its 500-kilogram luggage capacity, allowing drivers to transport large cargo with ease. This makes it an ideal choice for families, business owners, and adventurers who require ample storage space. Its spacious interior and ergonomic design provide maximum comfort, making long-distance travel more enjoyable. In the end, this isn't just about cars, it's about making history. Ghana is proving that homegrown innovation can compete with the best, and Kantanka is leading the charge. These vehicles are built for the future. Experience African engineering and drive home something special. Subscribe now for more game-changing updates. The revolution is here. Are you in?